name is Jared. I am a rising junior at Space School of San Francisco. Now, you may think that there are 10 students in this program, as you can see on the board there, it shows 10 people. But actually, we have 11. This here is Jasper. He is my main intensive project. Jasper is a voice control assistant. So what he is a Raspberry Pi, just like Anderson's. It's a later model, so it's a little more advanced. But still uses the same things. The Raspberry Pi is what does all the computing for Jasper. He's also connected to a microphone here and speakers here. So all of the programming was done on my computer, it's just computer is connected to Jasper, so it's just the same thing. So in terms of what it can do, Jasper is connected to something called Wolfram Alpha. So for people who are not familiar with this, Wolfram Alpha is like a hybrid between Google and Wikipedia. It's just a tad bit like more on the educational side. So it's helped me with like math, and it can help me with chemistry, history, language, anything that I really need. And so Jasper is connected to that. And Jasper's not connected to my computer, apparently, and it's an error message. What else Jasper can do is it can tell the time, it can check my email, it can send me news. The reason why people are laughing is because the first challenge with Jasper was that all he did was send me news. I gave him the ability to access my email, and for some reason, no matter what anybody said, I would say like Jasper, and then he would come a response, and I would say like, give me the time. And someone from across the room, like without failure, will yell news. And then Jasper like, oh, enough news. And I'll tell him like all the news. And this is like during like, what was it? When they like legalized gay marriage. So I just heard like gay marriage like bajillion times before, and he said like Republicans at some point. He would send me all of these news onto my phone. My phone would go up like 50 times. And then I'll be like, oh god, I have to go through this again. The worst part is if you say yes, like he'll say, would you like me to send you these news? And I'll say no. But if you say yes at any point, he'll send it anyway. So I said no. And my friend Ed, who was sitting next to me, would say, yes. And he'll send it to me. I'll be like, not again. So yeah, that's Jasper for you guys. I'm going to do a demo right now, especially because Jasper is very buggy and very slow. So the reason behind this is I'm using AT&T as its speech recognition. So this means two things. First, it has to have an internet connection at all times. And second, it's actually not doing the translate or transcribing on the Raspberry Pi. It's actually sending its data out to like an AT&T server, and it's pulling it back. So this takes like a long time, not to mention that I can only transcribe like one word every second. So I'll say like Jasper, and he'll like think of like half of the word. He'll say like Jack, or Jet, for some reason. Or like anything else. He'll say like Asper. Asper is apparently like Turkish currency or something. So like he'll take anything except for Jasper. Extremely difficult to use. But once I get it to work, he can answer almost any question I have. So how was Jurassic Park? It said 22 years. Who is president of America? Barack Obama is president of Russia. Vladimir Putin. So yeah, I'm not going to do a live demo right now because occasionally it's not very reliable sometimes. But it does work. Yeah.
Give it a shot.
Yeah.
Well, unfortunately, the internet here is really bad. And it drops. Jasper is disconnected again. And this happens a lot.
Yeah, it worked like an hour ago.
It worked this morning. It worked like an hour ago. It says network error. Software caused connection abort. So maybe it's just Jasper not liking me again. Oh, another story. He changes his IP address like 5 times, like in the first week. He so first he was like 192.0.168.1. I can't remember. That Anderson can remember that. It was then he changed his name to Claudius MacBook Pro. And I was confused, like, wait, that's not Jasper, I don't get it. So I connected him and I was like, oh, okay, this works. Next day I come back. He was Omer's iPad. Flying away. Then the next day I come back, he's actually Kobe's MacBook. So he's still flying like Kobe's like tag. And even changed his like manufacturer. It was first made by Raspberry Pi Foundation, which is the Raspberry Pi. Then it changed its name, like its manufacturer to like BB Micro, like whatever it's called. So lots of different challenges, but fortunately it worked to a certain extent. Yeah. Any questions? Zero.
So you're not using an Arduino, you're using a Raspberry Pi.
Correct.
But I believe Jasper was coded in a different language than everyone else.
Yeah, so a Raspberry Pi usually uses Bash, which is what Linux runs off of, and I actually learned it a lot in school. But the way Jasper is set up is it's actually Python inside of Bash. So I had to learn how to program in 2 different languages. And at first I was actually programming in the completely wrong language. I was programming in Bash, in Python, and then Jasper was getting confused and he would like shutting stuff down. So yeah, I had to learn how to code in 2 different languages. Any other questions? Okay, so I'm just gonna go quickly through improvements. One improvement that I was really trying to get to work was trying to make it so I can use Bluetooth with Jasper. So I could have a headset, because Jasper, to be honest, is a little bit bulky sometimes, especially with the speakers. The other modification would be to have a conversation with Jasper. The only issue with that is I would have to actually pull apart his main code, which I did attempt to do, and I broke Jasper. Like Jasper is being reprogrammed at least 6 times by this point, so yeah. Any other questions?